I'm delighted to have the grilling experts, Ben and Brent from the Meat Hook. You might recognize them from our sister show, Prime Time, but this is the Kitchen Gadget Test Show.
It is?
Today we're testing 3 different grills, the Weber, the Kudu, and the BioLite. So price point, the Weber goes for about $90 to $110. The Kudu goes for a whopping $500.
Whoa!
And then the BioLite, $200.
Okay,
Not bad for a high-tech gadget.
Yeah.
let's find out.
So we are gonna start assembling. We're just gonna take it out of the box and see what's the easiest to assemble.
Okay.
Very, very simple. Okay, starting with the Weber. I mean, the Weber is standard, right? So it's pretty easy to put together.
We'll say that now before we actually put it together.
Try not to hammer your fingers.
Oh!
Oh my God! And
Done!
so 10 minutes assembling
10
the
minutes.
Weber grill.
Yeah.
So super easy, pretty cheap. Let's move on to the next
go.
one.
I will be shocked if this thing doesn't fall apart as I pick it up.
I put it together.
So now we're gonna move on to the Kudu. They claim that we don't need any external tools.
All right, let's do it.
It's pretty simple. You just screw the legs to the body. We're done. Guys, last but not least, the BioLite,
Ooh.
which I don't know about you guys, I'm very excited for. There's almost no assembly required. Wait, why does this look really confusing right now?
Yeah.
Does that
so
look
that
confusing to
that
you?
just got insanely confusing.
Yeah. Wait, did we do this right? You,
No, we
you
definitely-
totally didn't do this right. This long part is supposed to be on this side. You know what I mean?
Oh, that makes more sense.
Okay, we screwed up.
Screwing in 4 screws took longer than assembling an entire Weber grill.
Yeah, why?
No idea.
Okay guys, so we assembled all 3 grills. What are we feeling? Are we feeling like one's better than another or like what?
I'm feeling really good about this Kudu.
Fully confident that both of these are going to be great. I don't even want to use this one already, but I know, I'm sorry, Mr. BioLite. I know it's a junior version compared to this, but I'm not sure why you would spend more money on something that is potentially not as useful as a Weber.
So guys, to be fair, we're just gonna use lump charcoal for all 3.
Okay.
And you guys brought some special treats from your shop.
If you're going to test the grill, you got to make a burger. Brought in a bone-in ribeye.
So we're gonna do it one by one, starting with the Weber. Make it easy, and then we'll move on.
I love it.
Let's load it up. We have some charcoal already in there.
The good thing about I think about a Weber is because it has such a wide diameter, you can really move the coals around so that you have different concentrations of heat. We can push all these to one side so we have a really hot surface, and then once we get a good sear and we want to cook the steaks all the way through, we can move them over to lesser heat.
Ooh, sizzling. Hey, that looks great.
That's what a steak should look like.
Yeah, beautiful.
How are we feeling about our birds?
I think they're about ready.
It's the burger from the Grill Masters.
Oh, like medium. That's a little bit more than I thought it would be.
Here you go, Ben.
Guys, I still really like burgers.
Okay, Brent, wanna do the honors?
I would love to. Nothing gives me greater joy than judging Ben. It feels great, man.
Yes, it's perfect.
Steak on a Weber.
Yeah. And that took, what, 8 minutes? Really high heat, got a nice sear. You can see the fat really rendered out.
So obviously it's the standard. How do you really improve on this?
I'm not sure. I think this is a pretty great standard, so excited to see what this Kudu is all about.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to beat,
Yeah.
right?
Well, let's try.
Let's do it. The grill is lit. We're ready to roll.
I'm hungry again. Let's do it.
Good. Am I going for it? You guys are going for it?
I think this is all you. This thing's pretty cool. We're moving, we're shaking.
Okay, so we can move it. So
We're
that's
gonna move
cool.
that. That's hot.
Guys, we could just take it off if we wanted to.
Oh my God, there's so many options with Kudu. Get in there!
Get in there. All right.
Start grilling!
Oh, I didn't hear a sizzle though. Is that weird?
Yeah, it should be a sizzle. Let me. More charcoal!
Charcoal! Gimme, gimme. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Give me another one. Give me another one.
No, because I gotta get your side. I gotta
All
get
right,
your side.
Yeah, we're lowering the grill.
Yeah.
And obviously by doing this, you're
Oh,
getting
there
the
we go.
grate hotter. Whew, this is hot.
Wait. Here you go.
Oh.
Go ahead and flip it. This is how friends grill.
Do we like the fact that this can be moved?
3 things I really like. I love that it goes up and down. I love that it goes side to side. And I love that I can make my classic paella. I really love the versatility of this a lot. I'm a fan. I'm a Kudu boy.
You're a cutie boy.
Wow. I'd say as far as cooking goes, I think straight grilling, this is probably the most fun. I would definitely already never want to clean this thing.
It's been a whole hour since I had a steak. Steak's getting burned, steak's getting burned. Gotta flip that.
Kudu!
Oh, I'll tell you what I'm liking about this grate. Look at the cross hatching on those burn marks. That's nice. You don't need to flip it or anything like that. That's beautiful. Let's pull it.
Let's pull it.
Esther, I'm about to
Cut into the burger.
test
Did
the
I do
burger
a better
here.
job than this guy?
You did a better job. Congratulations. You win.
perfect burger. The Kudu can do a burger. Should we cut into the steak?
Yeah, let's cut into the steak.
Wow,
Wow, that actually looks beautiful.
that looks amazing.
That looks amazing.
I'm really impressed. I mean, I think obviously this is a nice grill, but I think you did a great job, and with nice, hot, even charcoal, you were able to grill a perfect rare steak.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. But I do think that, you know, being able to sort of move the heat around really helped without having to move like the charcoal inside, right?
Yeah.
So I really like that. Love it, a little expensive. Moving on to the BioLite.
Let's do it.
Look at this guy.
It's cute.
It's cute.
It's adorable.
Sleek design.
Yeah.
We dumped two chimneys worth of charcoal on the grate on the inside here. So it's already extremely hot.
Yeah.
This is exactly why I'm kind of curious why you would spend a couple $100s on this. Is you could fit one more burger on here.
We could put 2 more burgers on there.
Okay, you can fit 2 more burgers on there. My point remains the same.
You can see the charcoal actually
Yeah.
getting hotter.
Yeah.
As
Because
the
there's
wind is pushing by,
a lot more oxygen hitting it.
Yeah.
Exactly. So our charcoal is going to burn faster, so everything's going to be hotter, which is cool.
So it gets a lot hotter than the other grills because it has like a 360 air circulation that's, you know, keeping the charcoals like burning
Right.
at its max.
it's visibly hotter than the other grills.
These burgers are almost done, and they've been on for 3 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of similar time as the other grills, but a way better sear.
Yeah. That was super easy to grill 2 burgers. Like if that's where we're gonna do that and a couple of veggies, I think this is actually a pretty great little grill. But you wanna see how we do with the steak?
Yeah, let's do the steak. I don't know. I think
This might actually work pretty well.
yeah, and also you guys are forgetting the point of like it being portable, right? Like it's either take this grill camping or have no grill.
You can fit it in your car. You can take it to the park. That is sizzling.
And what, that was like 3 minutes on there?
Again, worked really well.
Worked really well.
Good sear, good char. Rare in the middle.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was a great burger.
I have to say, for my 3rd burger of the day, it's just as good as the second one and the first one.
Yeah. Quickest burger of the day, just as good as number 1, number 2.
That's beautiful. Still very beautiful.
Looks good, but I think worth mentioning that the steak from the Kudu looks a little bit nicer. It's still nice and rare. So I think ultimately you still want to be able to control your heat a little bit, move your proteins around so that they can get a nice even cook.
Yeah.
And this is just a smaller grill, so maybe buy a smaller steak. It did a great job with the burgers, maybe not meant for a larger ribeye. For an extra $100 on top of the Weber, you're not buying any more cooking surface.
Esther, it's your house, it's your show. Which was your favorite of the 3?
I'm gonna go with the Weber.
Yeah?
I'm a classic girl, so yeah.
Where are you going, B?
Staying classic. Going with the Weber.
I think I'm going Weber too. We got three
Yeah.
3 for 3 Weber.
I think just to note, why I chose the Weber was really the price point, right? I think the Kudu is amazing. It's really awesome,
Yeah.
but it's just really expensive. It just doesn't justify that $500 price point, right? And that's always ultimately the most important thing. Is it worth it?
Totally.
So what is the grill for you? Obviously, the clear winner here, Weber. It's the Weber.
3 out of 3 numbskulls agree.